In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva. This can be any project you're currently working on, whether it's a presentation, social media post, flyer, or another type of design. Once your design is open, you'll be ready to change the background and give your canvas the exact look you want. One of the easiest ways to add a background is by using a solid color. To do that, click on an empty area of your page. This is important because it brings up the top toolbar for the page itself, instead of selecting another object in your design. In that top toolbar, click the color square. This opens the color options for your background. From the color panel, you can choose from the available colors on the left side. If you already see a shade you like, simply click it and Canva will apply it right away. If you want more flexibility, click Add New Color to choose a different color option. This is especially helpful if you're trying to match a brand style, create a certain mood, or keep your design simple and clean with a single background tone. If you'd rather use an image background instead of a plain color, Canva also makes that very easy. Go to the left sidebar and click Elements. From the panel that appears, find and click Photos. Here you can browse through the available images or use the search bar to look for something specific. This is useful if you already have a theme in mind, like nature, office, abstract textures, or anything else that suits your design. Once you find a background image you like, click on it and it will be added to your canvas. In some cases, the image may not automatically fill the entire page. If that happens, right-click on the image, then look for and select Set Image as Background. That will quickly fit the image to the full canvas and place it behind your other design elements, which saves time and keeps everything neatly arranged. If you want to use your own image instead, go to the left toolbar and click Uploads. Then select Upload Files and choose the image from your device. After it uploads, you can add it to your design and use it as your background just like any other image. And that's it. That's how to add a background in Canva using a solid color, Canva's built-in images, or your own uploaded file.